Good morning everyone. Today we are looking a new chapter, that is our first chapter, in which there is antimicrobial agents are included. So first we should know what is mean by antimicrobial agent. Antimicrobial agent are any chemical or drug used to treat an infectious disease either by inhibiting or killing the pathogens in vivo. Next, what are the ideal qualities of antimicrobial agent? First, the ideal qualities, it will kill or inhibit the growth of pathogen. Second one, it causes no damage to the host. Third one, it causes no allergic reaction to the host. It will stable when stored in solid or liquid form. Next one is remain in specific tissue in the body long enough to be effective. Okay, it means that it should not be present for long time, but it should be effective for longer duration. Next, it will kill the pathogen before they mutate and become resistant to it. These are the ideal properties of antimicrobial agent. Next one, it is a antibiotics. What is mean by antibiotics? A substance secreted from a microorganism have the ability to destroy or limit the growth of living organism is called as antibiotics. What are the source of antibiotics? There are natural source also and synthetic sources also. What are the natural sources? Of course, our microorganism, in which bacteria and fungi are included. Which antibiotics are produced by fungi? First one, we all know about the penicillin. It is synthesized by Penicillium chrysogenum. Next one is a Grisofulvin. These are the fungal antibiotics. There are bacterial antibiotics also, for example polymyxin, bacitracin. Next to that, tetracycline, chloramphenicol, streptomycin, etc. These all are bacterial antibiotics. Next class is a synthetic antibiotics. Antibiotics are again of four types. First type is, according to antimicrobial activity, they are bactericidal and bacteriostatic. Depend upon bacterial spectrum of activity. They are of narrow spectrum antibiotic and broad spectrum antibiotic. Third type is according to the absorbability from the site of administration to attain significant concentration for the treatment of synthetic infection, for example locally acting and systematically acting. Fourth class is according to mechanism of action, how they kill the that bacteria. Okay, first type is when antibiotic inhibit the bacterial cell wall synthesis. Next one, when antibiotic functions and permeability of the cell membrane. Third one, when it inhibit the protein synthesis, that is transcription and translation. Next one is inhibit the nucleic acid synthesis. Okay, so these are the action of antibiotic by different ways. Okay, and they are classified. So first we are looking inhibition of cell wall synthesis. What is the how antibiotic inhibit the cell wall synthesis? So first target is to block the peptidoglycan layer which is present in a bacteria. Okay, in especially in gram positive. So what is a peptidoglycan layer? We know that the peptidoglycan layer, it is present in NAG and NAM form. Okay, so these are the polysaccharide repeating disaccharides of N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl muramic acid plus cross-link peptide bonds. Okay, so peptide with terminal D-alanine and D-alanyl D-alanine unit requires for cross-linking. Peptide cross-link form between the free amino of the amino acid in the third position of peptide and the D-alanine in the fourth position of another chain. Okay, so in case of beta-lactam antibiotic, penicillin binding properties are enzyme is responsible for cross-linking, elongation and autolysis. So how lysis of bacterial cell occurs? Isotonic environment is created, cell will get swell and rupture of bacteria takes place. Next condition is that hypertonic environment. Microbe change to protoplast in case of gram positive, or spheroplast in case of gram negative, covered by cell membrane. It swell and rupture if placed in isotonic environment. Okay. Next one, it is how in case of penicillin it work. Source of penicillin is Penicillium species, for example more Penicillium chrysogenum. Inhibit final cross linking step, bind to active site of the transpeptidase and inhibits its activity. Bactericidal, but kills only when bacteria are actively growing, and it is inactivated by beta lactamase. Okay, in case of cephalosporin, similar structure and mechanism as a penicillin. Most are products of molds of the genus Cephalosporin. Okay, next one, it is other beta lactam antibiotic, for example carbapenem. Carbapenem is structurally different from penicillin and cephalosporin. Ipipenem, in case of ipipenem, with wider spectrum of activity of the beta lactam drugs, bactericidal versus many gram positive and gram negative anaerobic bacteria, not inactivated by beta lactamase. Next one is monobactam. It is also called as azithromycin. Activity against gram negative rods, useful in patient hypersensitive to penicillin. Then there are other cell wall inhibitors also, for example vancomycin. Sources Streptomyces orientalis, inhibits second stage of peptidoglycan synthesis by binding directly to D-alanine, block transpeptidase binding. Second one is inhibiting bacterial transglycomylase. And next one is S. aureus and S. epidermidis, infection resistance to penicillin resistant pen. Okay. Next one, it is a cell wall inhibitors. Example is cycloserine. In case of cycloserine, inhibit two enzyme D-alanine synthetase and alanine racemase. It catalyzes cell wall synthesis. So first stage, it inactivates the peptidoglycan synthesis. After that, structural analog of D-alanine inhibits synthesis of D-alanine dipeptide. Then second line drug in the treatment of TB. In case of other cell wall inhibitor, there is a isoniazid and ethionamide. These are isonicotinic acid hydrazine which inhibit mycolic acid synthesis. Ethambutyl interfere with synthesis of urbanogalactam in the cell wall. Okay. In case of bacitracin, sources Bacillus licheniformis, prevent dephosphorylation of the phospholipid that carries the peptidoglycan subunit across the membrane, block regeneration of the lipid carrier, and inhibit cell wall synthesis. Too toxic for systemic use in case of treatment of superficial skin infection. Okay. In case of polymyxin, source is Bacillus polymyxa with positively charged free amino group, act like a cationic detergent, interact with the lipopolysaccharide and phospholipid in outer membrane, which increases the cell permeability. Activity, it activates against gram negative rods, especially Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next one is pollines. These are the antifungal agent, requires binding to a sterol, changes permeability of fungal cell membrane. Next one, it is a amphotericin B. Permeability binds to ergosterol with series of 7 unsaturated double bonds in microlide ring structure. It activity against disseminated mycosis. Next one is Pauline's antifungal. In case nystatin is present, structural analog of amphotericin B, and it is topical, actively working against the candida. Azoles, that is our antifungal agent, block cytopathic 450 dependent demethylation of lanosterol, inhibit ergosterol synthesis. Ketoconazole, fluconazole, itraconazole, miconazole, and clotrimazole. Okay. Next one is inhibition of protein synthesis. Tell me up to here you understood or not. If you not understood, I will take it repeatedly because already we studied this. Just we are taking revision of this unit. Okay. So anything else remains here? You can add or you can ask me now. Okay. Okay, I think we will take a short break, and after that we will study about this. uh, what about protein inhibition of protein synthesis? Okay.